Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the source. Is it a docx, rich text, or plain? TXT? Once done, choose your target encoding. UTF-8 is the best default for compatibility. Make sure to open the file in an editor that exposes encoding options, like VS Code or Notepad++. You want visibility into byte order and characters. You'll do an initial scan for weird characters now, because catching problems early prevents corrupt output later. Save a backup copy before changing encoding. You export or save the document as plain text if it started as docx to avoid hidden formatting. Retain special characters by choosing an appropriate export option. Next, in your editor, pick Save with encoding and choose UTF-8. Decide on BOM only if the target system requires it. After saving, run Unicode normalization, NFC, to unify composed and decomposed characters, and perform targeted search replace for ligatures or control characters. This step reduces mismatches across platforms. You validate the converted file using a hex viewer or Unicode inspector to confirm expected byte sequences for common characters. Once validated, test the file in the target environment, load it in the browser, app, or database to ensure rendering matches intent. If glyphs look wrong, check the original file charset, rerun normalization, and try toggling BOM. Mismatches usually come from an incorrect assumed source charset. Finally, revert to your backup and repeat with corrected charset assumptions if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.